Hello everyone. So today we will be discussing about the food pyramid, 5 food group system and the 11 food group system. What is a food pyramid? It is nothing but a visual representation of a balanced diet. The base consists of the food which you have to eat in larger quantities, example the grains, cereals, fruits, vegetables, etc. Foods which we have to eat in moderation are in the middle, example the dairy products, meat, nuts, legumes, etc. And then we have the foods which we have to eat sparingly, that is in very less quantity, which are at the top, which include the fats, oils, processed food, sugar, etc. So we have clearly seen what is a food pyramid. Then we have the 5 food group system. Here it is categorizing the food into 5 main groups, which will ensure that there is a balanced intake of the nutrients. First, we have the fruits and vegetables. As we all know, it is providing all the essential vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and the fiber. Then we have the cereals and grains. These are a rich source of carbohydrates. As we all know, carbohydrates provides energy along with the fiber, B vitamins, and minerals. Therefore, cereals and grains they play an important role in providing the energy, and they also provide fiber, minerals, and the B vitamins. Then we have the protein rich food. Here it includes all the animal based proteins and the plant based proteins. Example of animal based proteins are meat, fish, egg, etc. And plant based proteins are beans, lentils, etc. As we all know, proteins are very important for the tissue growth and repair. Then we have dairy. They are important for calcium, vitamin D, and protein. Three important things, that is calcium, vitamin D, and protein. Here, they will help in the maintenance of strong bones and teeth. Then we have the fats and oils. They provide all the essential fatty acids, and they also are a rich source of energy. So we have seen the food group system, which includes the fruits and vegetables, which are providing essential vitamins, minerals, fiber, antioxidants, etc. Then we have the cereals and grains, which is a rich source of carbohydrate, and they also provide the vitamins, minerals, and fiber. Protein rich food, they're important for the tissue growth and repair, which include both the animal and the plant-based proteins. Then we have the dairy products, which is important source of calcium, protein, and vitamin D. Then you have the fats and oil, which also act as a rich source of energy. Next, we have the 11 food group system. In 11 food group system, first we have the cereals and cereal products, which include, as we already discussed, the rice, wheat, oats, etc. And they're providing us the carbohydrates and fiber. Then we have fruits, as we have already seen, they're providing us the vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and the fiber. Examples are apples, bananas, oranges, etc. Then we have vegetables. They are also a rich source of vitamins, minerals, and fiber. Examples are tomatoes, carrots, spinach, etc. Then for legumes and pulses, they are high in plant protein, fiber, and the iron. Nuts and seeds, they are good source of healthy fat, protein, and minerals. Sunflower seeds, almonds, walnuts, etc. Then you have meat, fish, and poultry. They are a source of protein and essential fatty acids. Example are salmon, chicken, pork, etc. Eggs, as we all know, they're high in protein, vitamins, and minerals, including vitamin B12 and iron. Milk and dairy products, they're also rich in calcium, protein, and vitamin D. Example are milk, cheese, yogurt, etc. Then we have fats and oils that are essential for providing the energy, fatty acids, and the vitamins. Example is butter, vegetable oil, olive oil, etc. Then we have this sugar. Here they are providing us a quick energy, but it should be limited because of the high sugar content. Example are cakes, sugary beverages, candies, etc. Lastly, we have the beverages. It includes all the fruit juices, tea, coffee, water, etc. But here, water is essential for hydration, while the tea and coffee they can provide the antioxidant. So we've clearly seen the 11 food group system, which consists of the cereal and cereal products, fruits, vegetables, legumes and pulses, nuts and seeds, meat, fish and poultry, eggs, milk and dairy products, fats and oils, sugar and sweets, and lastly, the beverage. So today we have clearly discussed what is the food pyramid, the 5 food group system, and the 11 food group system. So thank you all. Thank you for watching the video. See you soon in the next video. Have a great day.